Let's go ahead and walk through the process of turning on auto captions in Clipchamp, step by step. Start by opening your Clipchamp application. Create a new video. And import the video which you want to have subtitles or caption. You can either create a new one or continue editing an existing project. Once your video is open and visible in the timeline, make sure the video you want to caption is properly placed and has audible speech in it. Let us play it, so that we can hear the sound, which should be clear. Hello, welcome everyone to Full Course Online. In today's video, we are going to create a Gmail account in PC. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the Clipchamp interface. This is where you'll find the Captions feature. Click on it to open the Captions menu. If this first time, then it will suggest you to generate captions with AI. Click on Try Now. A small window will pop up asking you to choose your preferred language. This should match the language spoken in your video. For example, if your video is in English, select English from the list. Clipchamp supports multiple languages, but choosing the correct one is important to ensure accurate transcription. Below the language selection, you'll also see an optional checkbox that allows you to filter out profanity. If your video contains any strong language and you prefer to keep your captions clean, you can check this box. This setting automatically replaces offensive words with asterisks or blank spaces. And then click Transcribe Media. At this point, Clipchamp will begin analyzing the voice audio in your video. Depending on the length of your video and how much speech it contains, this may take a little time. You'll see a loading or progress indicator on the screen as Clipchamp processes the audio. Once it's done, you'll see the generated captions appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Each caption will be listed along with a timestamp showing when that particular line of text will appear in the video. Now you can preview your video and watch the captions in real time as it plays. This is a great way to quickly review the results and check for any errors or misheard words. If you notice something that doesn't look right, you can easily edit it. Just click on the caption text, make the correction, and it will update immediately. Now let us see the options. The first option is to turn off the captions, later on if you don't want the captions. The next option is used if you want to download the SRT file for subtitles. Once you're satisfied with your captions, the captions will remain synced and will be included when you export your final video file. Thanks for watching.